Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my very first Stitch Fix unboxing. You guys, I'm so excited about this. So if you want to see what I got in my first Stitch Fix, then just keep watching. Okay, so here's my box. It's not a huge box, but it's heavy. So let's hope there's some really great stuff in here. That sounds like jewelry. It's too small to be shoes, so I'm thinking jewelry. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Oh, yeah, there's a little box in there, you guys. Okay, so this is what the box looks like when you open it up. And inside here, I have a small box. Yay! And then I have some papers. And then of course a return envelope to return whatever I don't want. There's an envelope in here with looks like a card that says, "Oh, hello." And it says, "Take a peek." So basically this is a card to show some of the items that are in your box. So, and then this is "Thanks for letting us style you." This is my bill. We'll go over that in just a moment. And then there's another card. And this one says, this is instructions on what to do when you receive your box and how to share your review or whatever on your social medias, which pretty sure I got that down already. Okay, so let's just move on to what's in here. I'm going to pick the box up one more time to show you guys the packaging. There's tissue paper, and it has like a sticker on it with the Stitch Fix logo. I love their colors. That teal, green, blue color is really pretty. So this is my package. These are the clothes that I got in my box. And we'll go over those in a minute. But first, I want to know what's in here. Let's see. Look how pretty. It's so pretty. Ooh, I like it already. Nice. Okay, so these are a pair of Bancroft earrings. These are gorgeous. Let's see. I'll grab my paper here and tell you guys a little bit more about these earrings. These are Bancroft earrings. They are called the Colbie Tassel earrings. They are gold and silver, and they retail for $28. They are gorgeous, you guys. Like, so beautiful. Yes, so gorgeous. I really, really like those. Okay, so now I'm gonna take off the sticker if I can. Probably gonna have to rip it, but I'm trying not to. Okay, it tore, so yeah, we're just gonna rip right in because I want to know what's in my package. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this right here. What is this? Oh, it's a cardigan. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so this looks like it is a black long sleeve cardigan. Here are the sleeves. Okay, let's see who this is by. This is by the company called Mix by 41 Hawthorne. This is a Martina slub knit open cardigan in the color black. And it is in the size 2XL. and it retails for $38. That's not bad for a really nice heavy duty. It's a really soft cardigan too. That's nice. Okay, and next up, something else that's black. Yay. Okay. Oh, how cute. This is very sheer, but see, you can kind of see through it. But I love this. This is beautiful. It's a lace up in the front. See the detail in the front of that? It's just gorgeous. This is made by Papermoon, and this is called the Luz Laceup blouse in the color black, and also in the size 2X. So that is just gorgeous. Can't wait to try that on. Oh, color. Yay. Get some color in here. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that print, you guys. That is gorgeous. It looks to be on the orangey side. It's a very orange. And I did, it also has yellow in it. And I did specify that I did not like orange or yellow. So, I mean, the yellow on here is not too bad. It's just a little bit of it. But it is very orange. I also specified that I did not want sleeveless. I like a cap sleeve or an off-the-shoulder sleeve. But this is a sleeveless. This is Renee C. Kalsi Ruffle detail blouse. They call it red, but to me, guys, this is orange. That is as orange as you can get. I like the print on it. I would have to wear like that cardigan over this, or a little something over it, because we can't wear sleeveless at work. So in order to wear this blouse at work, I would have to wear a cardigan or a sweater or something over it. It's got the lace down the front, which I really am not a big fan of. To me, it looks so 80s, and I'm just not. I'm not there. You know what I mean? Like, no. I don't like this style at all. So this is a definite no for me. I will try it on, see how it looks for you guys, but I know for a fact I will not be keeping this. Again, this is by Renee C, and it's the Kalsi Ruffle detail blouse, and it retails for $48. So that's definitely going to go back. Alright, got some blue jeans. Yes. Really nice, thick blue jeans. They have they're skinny jeans too. They have a frayed bottom on the ankle. Oh, those are so nice. Oh my goodness. I love these. These are ankle skinny jeans. They are made by, let's see, Cut from the Kloth. K-U-T. Cut from the Kloth. And yes, these are so gorgeous, you guys. Look at that. They're kind of acid washed right through there. Really, really, really cute. And they're acid washed on the back as well. I can't wait to try these on. And these retail for $88. And that is a little high for blue jeans when I can find them at Rue 21 for about 30 bucks. And right now, Rue 21 has buy one, get one free. So I can get two pair of blue jeans, very similar, if not exactly like this, for 30 bucks. So, but I'm going to try them on. So I don't think I'll be keeping the jeans either. That's just too much to pay for a pair of blue jeans when I can find them cheaper. The total of the entire bag is, or the entire box, is $240 minus the discount. And then minus my $20 styling fee. The total cost of this box would cost me $160, which isn't bad when you put it all together and you get the discounts like that. That's not a bad price at all. And just keeping one or two, let's see, just keeping three of the items in here, if you use the blue jeans, then it would cost you more than the $160. But I don't want the blue jeans, and I don't want the $48 red shirt either. And those are the most expensive items in here. I am going to try on the cardigan. I'm going to try them all on, but I probably will keep the cardigan and the earrings. Maybe even that black crisscross blouse as well. We'll see. So let's do some try-ons. I'm going to rearrange my camera and get everything situated, and I will be right back with the try-on, you guys. Okay, the first blouse I tried on is the black sheer one with the crisscross detail in the front, or lace-up detail. You can tie this, or you can leave it untied. You just tie that like that. I prefer it untied just to kind of let it hang. You can have these loose, or you can tighten them up. I kind of like it just like that. Yeah, but it's a longer type shirt, which I love. It's not tight, it's not binding or form-fitting. I really like this kind of blouse. It's really comfortable to wear. I will probably keep this blouse right here because I love it so much. So that's the first one. And I will be right back with another blouse. Okay, so here is the red front ruffle blouse. I like the shirt, the feel of it. The material is nice. I like the length, and the way it fits is very comfortable. I don't care for the ruffles down the front. Some people like that. It's just not me. And I don't care for the sleeveless look, but it is a cute top. And yeah, I don't think I will be keeping this one. I wish it was a different style with this. Even though it's a bit more orangey, I would wear this because of the pattern on here is really cute if it was just a different style. So, but anyway, this is that one. Like I said, I won't be keeping this blouse, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. Okay, so I paired the cardigan with this blouse. It has pockets. It is such a cute cardigan. I really like it a lot. Like, this is something I could see myself wearing at least once a week, if not more, depending on the weather, because it is a long sleeve, and in Houston it gets pretty hot. But I really like this cardigan. It's not too thick, so I think it would be office appropriate. They keep it pretty cool in our building anyway. So this would be something that I could definitely wear to work. It comes very low in the back. It's just a really cute cardigan. I love it. Absolutely love it. So I probably will be keeping this one as well. Okay, you guys, so I have paired the jeans with the blouse that I had on earlier. These jeans are cute. They have the frayed ends at the ankles. They fit okay. I mean, they fit pretty well. They're pretty snug on the rear end area. They're comfortable, but I just can't see paying $88 for blue jeans. So these jeans are a no-go at $88, but they are comfortable. Okay, well, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which item was your favorite and which one did you not like, if any at all. And yeah, thanks for joining me today. Be good to yourself and each other, ladies. Bye, guys.